एक आदमी जिसने चोर को पुलिस से बचाया, एक सेंट जिसने काइंडनेस दिखाई, एक डायलॉग जिसने क्रिमिनल को गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग में बदल दिया। क्या आप समझ सकते हैं कि काइंडनेस किसी व्यक्ति के कैरेक्टर को भी चेंज कर सकती है? यदि आप समझते हैं इस चीज़ को तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। अदरवाइज टुडे आई विल uncover the most inspiring character of the bishop from the Bishop Candlestick written by Norman Macneill. Trust me, after this video, you won't just understand the character sketch, you will actually feel the greatness of the bishop. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the character sketch of bishop from the Bishop Candlestick. That is a very famous one-act play written by Norman Macneill, adapted from Les Miserables by Victor Hugo. This character is not just important for exam, but also teaches us humanity, forgiveness, and kindness. So let's begin our character sketch without delay. The bishop is the central character of the play The Bishop Candlestick, who lives a very simple life with his sister Persome. Actually, he is a priest, but what makes him extraordinary? He believes that every human being deserves love and compassion, even criminals too, because they are also human beings. जहाँ दुनिया एक कन्विक्ट को चोर और जानवर समझती है, वहाँ बिशप उसे एक इंसान की तरह देखता है। वह उसकी भूख को, उसके दर्द को समझने का प्रयास करता है। द बिशप रिप्रेजेंट्स काइंडनेस, फॉरगिवनेस, ह्यूमैनिटी, सेल्फलेसनेस and Christian values of love and mercy. He is shown as a man with a golden heart. The first quality of the bishop is his generosity. He helps everyone: poor people, sick people, hungry travelers, and even strangers too. In the play, Persome complains that the bishop gives away all his possessions and belongings to help others. He even sells his silver salt cellars to help poor women to pay her rent. This shows that for the bishop, people are more valuable than money. बिशप के लिए इंसानियत सबसे बड़ा काम है। इवन जब एक चोर उसके घर आ जाता है और वो उसको नाइफ दिखाता है, बिशप डज नॉट पैनिक। वो पैनिक नहीं करता। इंस्टीड ऑफ कॉलिंग हिम अ क्रिमिनल, ही कॉल्स हिम माई फ्रेंड। वो उसे दोस्त बोलता है। इमेजिन द लेवल ऑफ कंपैशन. द बिशप नेवर जजेस पीपल बाय देयर पास्ट. व्हेन द कन्विक्ट tells his painful story, how prison and society made him animal, made him cruel, the bishop listened carefully and with sympathy. He understands an important truth. If society treats a man like a beast, he becomes a beast. This idea is beautifully reflected in the play. The bishop believes that love can reform a person better than punishment. And honestly, this is the biggest message of the play also. The third most important quality of bishop is forgiveness. Now comes the most emotional part of this play and the moment. At night, the convict steals the bishop's silver candlestick, which is the last and very precious gift of bishop from his mother. Police catches him and bring him back. Now think carefully. Any ordinary person would say, yes, officer, he is the thief. But what does the bishop do? He tells the police, I gave the candlestick to him. Unbelievable, right? Not only this, he even gave her that candlestick and says him, be human being, be honest, sell it and do whatever make you human. This proves that bishop is forgiving, he is merciful and spiritual too. जब दुनिया सजा देने में आती है और सज़ा देने पे ही विश्वास करती है। तो उस समय बिशप ने व्यक्ति को माफ़ करना चुना और माफ़ कर कर उसे पुनः ह्यूमन बनाने में या इंसान बनने में मदद की। नेक्स्ट और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट जो एस्पेक्ट्स है, जो कैरेक्टर स्केच है, स्टिक है बिशप की, वह क्वालिटी है उसका सेल्फलेस होना और स्पिरिचुअल होना। The candlestick were not ordinary object for him actually. They were gifted by the bishop's mother and were emotionally precious for him. Still, he sacrifices them to save another human being. The bishop teaches us material things are temporary, but saving a human soul is priceless. He practices what he preaches. That's why he became a symbol of hope, redemption, and divine goodness. Now, let's frame the answer in exam style also. The bishop is a noble, kind-hearted, and generous man. He believes in love, forgiveness, and humanity. He helps the poor and needy without expecting anything in return. He treats the convict with sympathy and saves him from punishment by telling the police that the candlestick were given to him as a gift. His compassion reforms the convict and changes his life. The bishop represents the qualities of true Christian and proves that kindness can transform even a criminal into a good human being. So guys, that was the complete character sketch of Bishop. You can add some lines from the text in the answers too to make it more comfortable and unique. You can also use some mind maps also in that particular answer. The Bishop teaches us one life-changing lesson. Hatred can never change a person, but kindness can. And maybe that's why this character is still remembered today. If you enjoyed this video or bilingual explanation of the character sketch of Bishop, like the video, please subscribe it, do comments and share it with your friends and needy persons who wants to know about the character sketch of Bishop. I hope you can understand it very well. Thank you very much. We will meet soon from next with next video. Thank you very much.